In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text on your Wix website for 2025, step by step. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your Wix editor. Head over to your browser and type in www.wix.com. Once you're on the Wix homepage, log into your account and go to your dashboard. Here, you'll want to click on Edit Site. If you're working within Wix Studio, choose Edit in Studio instead. Now that you're in the Wix editor or Wix Studio, it's time to add a text element. If you're using the Wix editor, look to the left side of your screen and click on the ++ Add Elements icon. From the menu that pops up, select Text. You'll see a list of different options such as heading for titles or subtitles, paragraph, or a custom text box. Choose the one that fits your needs and drag the text element onto your page. For those using Wix Studio, the process is similar. Click on Add Elements, then Text, and select either heading, paragraph, or rich text. You can then drag and drop it anywhere on your canvas. Once your text box is in place, it's time to add your content. Click directly inside the text box to begin typing, or if you have text prepared in another document, simply paste it using the Ctrl+V or CMD+V shortcuts. Here's a little tip. Keeping your headings short and rich with keywords can help boost your SEO, making your site more discoverable. Next, let's move on to customizing your text design. Start by selecting your text element. This will activate the text settings toolbar, which you'll find either at the top or on the side panel depending on your setup. Here you can change the font style and size, adjust the color, alignment, and spacing, and you can also make your text bold, italic, or underlined. Furthermore, you can customize letter spacing and line height to ensure your text looks just right. For a consistent look and feel across your website, consider creating text themes. You can do this by clicking on Design, followed by Edit Text Theme. This allows you to set default font styles and sizes for headings and paragraphs. Remember to also check how your text looks on mobile devices. Switch to Mobile View by clicking the phone icon at the top of the editor. Make any adjustments needed, such as resizing or repositioning text, so it appears great on smaller screens. You can even hide or change text styling independently for mobile without affecting the desktop view. Finally, after you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget to save your work. Click Save and then hit Publish to make your new text live on your website. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add text to your Wix website. Thanks for watching and happy editing.